If you see Spanish sentences like lo veo, la necesito, and your brain immediately asks, wait, why lo? Why la? You're not alone. I'm Andres, and in Clear Spanish Grammar, I help beginners understand Spanish with simple patterns, not confusing grammar tables. But here's the good news. Lo and la are not random. There is one simple question that helps you choose the right one. What thing receives the action? But Spanish doesn't use just one word for it. Spanish cares if the thing is masculine or feminine. So, el libro becomes lo, but la casa becomes la. That's the basic idea. Today we'll use a simple three-step pattern. Find the object. Check if it is masculine or feminine. Put lo or la before the verb. No giant grammar table. No complicated explanation. Just the pattern beginners actually need. What does lo replace? Use lo when the thing you replace is masculine singular. Look at this sentence. Veo el libro. I see the book. What do I see? El libro. And el libro is masculine singular. So we replace el libro with lo. Veo el libro, lo veo. In English, we say I see it, but in Spanish, the object pronoun usually goes before the verb, lo veo, not veo lo. Another example, tengo el teléfono. I have the phone. What do I have? El teléfono, masculine singular. So, tengo el teléfono. Lo tengo. I have it. One more. Compro el café. I buy the coffee. El café is masculine singular. So, lo compro. I buy it. What does la replace? Now let's use la. Use la when the thing you replace is feminine singular. Example. Veo la casa. I see the house. What do I see? La casa. Feminine singular. So, veo la casa. La veo. I see it. Another example. Necesito la llave. I need the key. What do I need? La llave. Feminine singular. So, la necesito. I need it. Another one. Compro la camisa. I buy the shirt. La camisa is feminine singular. So, la compro. I buy. The beginner question. Here is the question beginners should ask before choosing lo or la. What is the original noun I am replacing? Do not start with English it, because English does not tell you if the noun is masculine or feminine. Start with the Spanish noun. Look at this sentence. Veo el libro. I see the book. What noun are we replacing? El libro. Is it el or la? It is el libro, so we use lo. Veo el libro. Lo veo. Now look at this one. Veo la casa. I see the house. What noun are we replacing? La casa. Is it el or la? It is la casa, so we use la. Veo la casa. Dat la veo. So the beginner trick is not translate it. The beginner trick is find the Spanish noun first. If the original noun is masculine singular, usually with el, use lo. El libro is lo. El teléfono is lo. El café is lo. If the original noun is feminine singular, usually with la, use la. La casa equals la. La llave equals la. La camisa equals la. But remember, you can only choose correctly after you know the noun you are replacing. Step 1. What noun am I replacing? Step 2. Is that noun masculine or feminine? Then choose. El noun, lo. La noun, la. For example, necesito el teléfono. What do I need? El teléfono. So, lo necesito. But necesito la llave. What do I need? La llave. So, la necesito. That one question makes lo and la much easier. What is the original Spanish noun? Where does lo or la go? This is where many beginners make the mistake. In English, we say, I see it, I need it, I buy it. The word it comes after the verb. But in Spanish, with one normal conjugated verb, lo or la usually goes before the verb. So, I see it, lo veo, I need it, lo necesito or la necesito. I buy it, lo compro or la compro. But Spanish is not being difficult. Spanish is just using a different word order. Lo versus la with people. Lo and la can also replace people. Example, veo a Carlos. I see Carlos. Carlos is masculine. So, lo veo. I see him. Now, veo a Ana. I see Ana. Ana is feminine. So, la veo. I see her. Important note, when we talk about a person as the direct object, Spanish often uses a before the person. Veo a Carlos. Veo a Ana. But when we replace the person with lo or la, the pronoun still goes before the verb, lo veo, la veo. Let's practice. Choose lo or la. Number 1. Tengo el libro. What do I have? El libro. El means masculine singular. Answer, lo tengo. Number 2. Necesito la mesa. What do I need? La mesa. La means feminine singular. Answer, la necesito. Number 3. Compro el arroz. What do I buy? El arroz. Answer, lo compro. Number 4. Veo a Paulina. Who do I see? Paulina. Answer, la veo. So remember, do not place lo or la after the verb when you're using one simple conjugated verb. Put it before the verb. Lo veo, la necesito, lo tengo, la compro. Answer this quick quiz in the comments. How would you say, I need the car? Then, I need it. Would you use lo or la? Write the full sentence in the comments. And if Spanish grammar usually feels confusing, subscribe to Clear Spanish Grammar. Here, we turn beginner Spanish into simple patterns you can actually use. See you in the next video.